Understanding Near-Field Communication, NFC. Near-Field Communication, NFC, is a prominent short-range wireless technology that has revolutionized the way devices interact with each other. This innovative technology allows for seamless data transfer between NFC-enabled devices like smartphones, tablets, wearables, and payment cards. By simplifying connectivity, NFC exemplifies the future of smart technology. Key features of NFC. Short-range communication. NFC facilitates communication between devices over a short distance, requiring them to be either touching or within a few centimeters of each other. Versatile applications. Originally developed for the payment card industry, NFC is now expanding into multiple sectors, including transportation, healthcare, and retail. 3 operational modes. NFC operates in 3 primary modes: reader/writer, peer-to-peer, and card emulation, each serving distinct purposes. How does NFC technology work? NFC technology leverages electromagnetic radio waves to transmit data. Each NFC-enabled device contains a microchip that functions as both an antenna and a receiver. The communication process involves 4 key components. 1. NFC microchip acts as the heart, enabling data storage and encryption. 2. Reader/writer scans and retrieves data from NFC devices. 3. NFC software application utilizes the data received for processing. 4. Information service provider (ISP) manages all communications that occur through NFC-enabled devices. Modes of NFC operation. 1. Reader/writer mode. In this mode, an NFC-enabled device, such as a point-of-sale (POS) terminal, coordinates data exchanges between 2 or more NFC devices or even devices without NFC technology. 2. Peer-to-peer mode. This mode allows 2 NFC-enabled devices to exchange information directly without a reader/writer. For instance, users can share files by simply tapping their devices together. 3. Card emulation mode. Here, an NFC-enabled device mimics a contactless payment card. Users can activate this mode to make payments directly from their mobile devices by holding them up to contactless card readers. The evolution of NFC. NFC technology's roots lie in radio frequency identification, RFID, used for decades to track goods, supplies, and merchandise. The real acceleration in NFC development began in 2004 with the formation of the NFC Forum by major players like Nokia, Philips, and Sony. By 2007, the first NFC-enabled mobile phone was launched, paving the way for extensive use in various applications, especially for contactless payments. Notable NFC milestones. 2007, launch of the first NFC-enabled phone. 2010, over 100 NFC pilot projects were initiated by telecommunications companies. 2017, major implementations of NFC technology in transportation systems, such as New York City's Metropolitan Transit Authority. Benefits of NFC. 1. Convenience. NFC technology simplifies transactions, allowing users to hold multiple payment methods securely on one device. A quick tap replaces the need for physical cards or cash. 2. Enhanced security. NFC employs advanced encryption methods, 128-bit or higher, and tokenization, which obscures sensitive data, making it difficult for unauthorized parties to access personal information. 3. Efficient sharing. NFC facilitates rapid content sharing among users and devices, enabling seamless exchanges of files, contacts, and more. 4. Targeted advertising. NFC allows advertisers to push personalized content or offers to users who engage with NFC tags in stores, enhancing marketing strategies. Potential drawbacks and risks of NFC. Despite its benefits, NFC technology does come with certain drawbacks and security risks. 1. Power dependency. NFC devices require battery power, posing the risk of unsuccessful transactions if the device runs out of charge. 2. Security vulnerabilities. NFC-enabled devices are susceptible to hacking and digital pickpocketing, where cybercriminals can access sensitive data through malicious software or by intercepting NFC communications. 3. Limited range. NFC operates effectively within a very short range, which can sometimes be inconvenient compared to other wireless technologies like Bluetooth. NFC beyond payments. NFC technology extends far beyond financial transactions. Here are some exciting applications across industries. Healthcare. NFC can empower remote patient monitoring systems, allowing patients to transmit essential health data directly to healthcare providers. NFC wristbands can also enhance patient care by updating real-time medical records. Airlines. The airline industry is utilizing NFC to streamline passenger experiences, such as enabling boarding via NFC-enabled smartphones, minimizing wait times and queues. Hospitality. Hotels are adopting NFC to facilitate contactless check-ins and room access, allowing guests to unlock doors using their mobile devices while managing access without physical keys. Transportation. NFC is widely used in public transit systems, allowing customers to tap their devices for fare collection, thereby making public transportation more efficient. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. What does NFC do on my phone? NFC allows smartphones to make touchless payments, share information wirelessly, interact with RFID-enabled devices, and serve as digital passes for services like hotel room access. Should NFC be on or off? While NFC improves the user experience, it's advisable to keep it turned off when not in use to conserve battery life and mitigate security risks. Is NFC dangerous? NFC technology is considered safe for health. The radio frequency it emits is low-powered and not harmful to humans. However, as with any technology, use caution and implement security measures to protect personal data. Can you be hacked through NFC? While NFC devices can be hacked, the risk is relatively low given the short operating distances and user-controlled connection initiation. Keeping your device updated with security patches is critical in preventing unauthorized access. Conclusion. Near-field communication is a transformative technology that offers improved convenience and security for users across various fields. While it benefits industries with contactless payments, healthcare monitoring, and smart advertising, caution is necessary to address potential risks. As NFC technology continues to evolve, its applications are likely to expand, making it a key player in the future of connectivity and smart communications.